Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Mathematical Solutions. Today we are going to see about Archimedean property of real numbers. So Archimedean property states that if x is a positive real number and y is any real number, then there exists a positive integer n such that nx is greater than y. So this gives us the Archimedean property, and there are so many results on that which can be used for CSIR or GATE exams. Okay, so the results are: the first one, for any real number x, there exists an unique integer m, okay, such that m is less than or equal to x less than m plus 1. So wherever on the real line x exists, we can find a unique m such that it lies between m and m plus 1. It can be even equal to m. Okay, it can be either this integer or this integer, right? So that gives us m. And the second property, the result says that between any two real numbers, if you take r1, r2, two real numbers, then we can always find an irrational number here between them. Okay, so this implies that there exists infinitely many rational numbers in R, right? In a similar way, we can say that between any two distinct real numbers, there always exists an, let it be R3, irrational number. Okay, so there are infinitely many irrationals. Okay, the next result says that if a is a rational number and x is an irrational number, ax is an irrational number. So for any rational and irrational, the product is also an irrational number unless until a is non-zero. Okay, so a plus x, the sum, that also an irrational number. Thank you. See you next time.